In this video, I will talk about one simple skill, with the help of which everyone can earn today. Just one skill you can learn through ChatGPT. It can do absolutely anyone. Forget complicated methods, limited beliefs, and boring work. And that's how much income you can get. It just depends on what niche you choose and whether you'll watch this video to the very end. So as not to miss anything before we get started, I'll ask to subscribe to the channel. Necessarily click on the likes, because one like equals one charge of motivation. Here we go. You can find hundreds of videos on YouTube about making money with ChatGPT. Each of them has a lot of useful information, but not everything is easy. Most of the information about which they tell, difficult for the average person, maybe even require programming skills, promptinda, or some other difficult words. So the idea behind this video was that I wanted to show how a simple guy or girl can, with just one skill, start making money with ChatGPT even if you don't have any skill, and it inspired the hell out of me. In order to get started, we need to understand what area of marketing or business we should choose, or simply put, choose a niche. A niche is a part of the market where there is sufficient demand for an entrepreneur to be able to offer his products or services. The final result depends on how to choose the niche, how quickly, and whether the owner's investments in advertising and marketing in general will pay off. But we are not entrepreneurs, so we don't have to choose goods or services to sell. We will not do that because everything we need is much easier. We need to choose a niche in order to understand in what direction to develop, and then it will become clearer how we can help this superhero called ChatGPT. And here's how we do it. Take a sheet of paper and a pen right now and answer these questions in confidence. The last question is genius. 1. What do you know about? It could be an area in which you have worked long hours. Something in which you are competent, can give advice. 2. What are you interested in besides work? It is possible to combine work with pleasure and to receive income from your favorite business. Think maybe your hobby can be turned into a business? 3. What irritates you? Most likely there is a problem that periodically puts you out of business. Oh, I have it exactly. I'm sure you do too. Surely you are not alone in your resentment. Why not help others to get rid of the irritant? Let's say I love the topic of marketing or blogging, which means that every marketer or blogger faces some sort of problem that is annoying. It could be writing articles for Instagram, Medium, website, and so on. So does the marketer who is busy writing texts for clients, coming up with ideas for videos, etc. Do you see what I'm getting at? That each of them would be willing to pay money to give these tasks to someone else and thus free up time for themselves or to find new clients. It's brilliantly simple. That's what I promised at the beginning of the video. Now we have to learn how to write scripts or come up with ideas for posts, and that's where ChatGPT helps us. And to do this, you need to read articles, forums, watch a couple of videos on YouTube. It can take just a couple of hours, but it takes time. After that, you can create all the ideas, scripts, a couple of minutes. Believe me, I would be happy to take such a person on the team. But I know that many people will be too lazy to look for it, or there are guys who want to get everything in one place or article. And especially for this, I created an article on my Patreon. Just for a small fee you can get a list of requests, how to write scripts, ideas for posts, and other things in ChatGPT, which will reduce your time and allow you to begin quickly to find customers. But that's not all. At the beginning of the video, I promised that for those who finish the video to the end, I will tell how to look for clients. After studying the material, we have the skill, which means time to look for clients. As I have experience in making money online, as well as marketing and business, I chose this path. You can choose any other. And the easiest thing you can do is to write to friends who have a business or they work in freelancing and offer to help them with their tasks in exchange for a fee. Further, you can use the freelance market. But if you have a little more experience, perhaps to create a website and run ads will be the best solution. I told the easiest way to make money on ChatGPT, which can be repeated by everyone if you want to. But I have in stock a lot of different ideas to make money online, so be sure to subscribe to this channel, put a like, and you can share with a friend, because developing together is much cooler. Good luck and success in the world of artificial intelligence. Bye.